Guys, this is Xiaomi Civi and it is first smartphone that comes on Dimensity 8200 Ultra chipset. So today we are going to review it. Let's start with unboxing. Just after unbox, you will find another box inside the box which includes SIM ejector tool, some documents and transparent back case as well. Afterward, you will find a beautiful Xiaomi smartphone. We will discuss it in detail afterward, so please keep aside for a while. Then there is USB Type A to Type C cable and one big USB Type A 67-watt charger. So this was all about the box content. Now we are going to discuss smartphone, but before that, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. Guys, look at this design. Its first look is very beautiful. Its above half portion has a light color, whereas bottom one has deep color. But overall back is made by curved glass back, and if we talk about design, you will find one big circle on left side which includes triple camera system, and below that you will find flashlight, and if you will move at the bottom you will find Xiaomi branding as well. Here overall smartphone weight is 174 gram and thickness is around about 7.6 millimeter. So due to less weight and less thickness, your hand feel will be very good. So according to my point of view, this design is totally value for money. Now let's move toward display. Here you will find 6.5 inches full HD plus resolution AMOLED panel with Dolby Vision HDR10 plus. This display also supports 68 billion colors and 1500 nits peak brightness as well. About refresh rate, you can go up to 120 Hz. That will make your smartphone user experience very smooth. So overall this display is totally value for money. You will not find this type of display in this price range. Now let's talk about Xiaomi Civi performance. This smartphone comes on Android 13 and Xiaomi UI 14 out of the box. And about chipset, you will see Dimensity 8200 Ultra chipset that is based on 4nm technology. This chipset features the same basic specs as the regular Dimensity 8200 but with customization to the image signal processing by Xiaomi and MediaTek. Along with you will find Mali G10 graphics, and about RAM there is 12 and 16 GB. Two options are available, and about storage you can go maximum 1 TB. Now take a look at camera of this smartphone. You will find triple camera system at the rear which include 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro lens. These cameras support HDR, panorama, and with these cameras you can record 4K on 30 fps. Talking about connectivity, it has stereo speakers, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC and infrared port as well, but you will not find radio and 3.5mm jack. Now let's move toward last part of this smartphone, that is battery. It has 4500 mAh battery that supports 67 watt fast charging, and it will fill your smartphone just in 38 minutes. Guys, if we conclude our complete review, Xiaomi Civi is very good smartphone with good display and good design. But if you will add some money in this price, you can go for Pixel 7a as well. You can check out that video as well, and at the last, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.